welcome to this introduction video on how to use GanttUP during your assignments. So this tool is based on the textbook Understanding Project Management, a Practical Guide, which is the textbook for your course. So everything in here relates to this textbook. You should always use, I recommend, or you should use, and your instructor will emphasize this, you should use the online version, the Excel 365 version of Excel to access GanttUP. It is multi-user, so you and your teammates on the project assignments can be working on it together if you are using the online version of Excel. Now, as you can see, the page that we're looking at, the sheet that we're looking at, there is a big highlighted area which says do not use cut and paste on any sheet. So throughout the use of GanttUP, you may use copy and paste, but do not use cut and paste. It will cause errors, which I will talk about later on. Also, do not upload GanttUP to other systems such as Google Sheets, because this will cause problem. It needs to run, GanttUP needs to run as Excel, not in other formats. The format or the layout of GanttUP, we are looking at the About tab, the About sheet, but there are various others, and you will learn more about these as you progress through your project assignments. On the About sheet, it gives you a little bit of information. It also gives you links. Each of these sheets listed here, which you will access throughout the course, there are links to explainer videos, which demonstrate the use of it. So highly recommend that you watch those explainer videos prior to doing your assignments. Now, one thing I really want to note here is a key thing that can go wrong is when there is an action taken, such as cut and paste, that causes an Excel error. It's something you have to undo immediately. So I'm just going to demonstrate it as to what it looks like. So if we go to this, sheet, and I'm just going to enter a date here. And this is something that is out of order and it causes an error. So I'm just going to add this, for example, August 20th, and it causes an Excel error. This is not, it's being done out of order, so you wouldn't normally do this. But notice that immediately an error message comes up, and it's on all of the different sheets. Okay, every sheet that you're on will have this error message. If this occurs, as the error message indicates, you should undo immediately. Okay, undo is an action that is can be done in Excel or really other systems such as Word and so on, that you can undo your previous action. Now, there's different ways to do it. The one way I like to use is Control-Z. So I'm just going to do a Control-Z, and that it undoes my previous action. It takes the error away. Okay, so that's just something to very much look for. Okay, and that is the introduction to GanttUP.